Today, we're going to talk about where you should store your digital photo collection because I get asked this question all the time. And I'm going to tell you my pick for where you should store it and 3 reasons why. So let's get to it. Hi, I'm Allison Lee from The Memory Curator, and I help people sort out their photo mess so that they can use their photos to tell their family's story. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the number one questions that I get asked, which is where should I store my photos? And if you are like so many people, we are all overwhelmed by the amount of digital photos that we have. And that leads to us feeling a lot of anxiety and stress about our photo collection because our photos are our memories. And so when they are scattered across all these different devices and in the cloud and on computers and on laptops and on your phone and on old phones and on USBs and CDs and just everywhere, we get totally stressed about it because we feel like we're out of control. And who wants to feel out of control about their memories? In order to combat that, what we need to do is we need to get all of our photos in one place. You probably have a box of prints somewhere, but most of our photos now are scattered across all of our different devices. In my classes, I teach people to store their entire photo collection on an external hard drive and have that be your box, your place that you put your digital photos. Now, you may be thinking, oh, external hard drives fail, right? Yes, they fail, but so does your laptop, so does your computer. Cloud services can fail, everything can fail. I have external hard drives that have lasted for like 7 years. I also have had external hard drives fail, but really the prevention of that is to have a backup. The prevention is not to never use an external hard drive. So in my system that I teach to people, we always work with copies of our photos. So we never actually work with the original. So that you're never in jeopardy of losing your photos. And that's what I suggest that you do if you start to consolidate your collection onto an external hard drive. Now, in terms of external hard drives, the reason that I recommend you use that is because one, most people don't have the space on their computer for their entire photo collection. You may think that you do, but you also need to remember that you need some free space for your computer to run. So I see this all the time in my classes, that people will fill up their computer with their photos and then they try to run a program that will help them sort their photos. And the program needs, it might just need like 20 megabytes to run, but it will often say to them, I can't run because your hard drive is full. So most people do not have room to put their entire photo collection on their computer. So that's the first reason to use an external drive. The second reason is that they are small and so they don't take up much space. So you can put one on your desk and it's not going to be in the way. You can put one in your laptop case and use it with your laptop and it's not going to be in the way. But they're not so small like a USB stick that you're going to lose them. And the third reason is that you can actually get a lot of storage for not very much money. So, it used to be that buying like 5 terabytes of storage was really expensive, but now you can actually get a 2 terabyte drive for under $100. 2 terabytes will hold about 200,000 photos and videos, depending. That's more than enough space for most people's collections. Now, I did promise that I would tell you what external hard drive I use, and so right now I am recommending the Seagate OneTouch external hard drive. It's very small. It fits in the palm of my hand for the most part. It's pretty thin. This is a 2 terabyte drive. And this is what the box looks like. What's really great about these drives is that they also come with 4 free months of Adobe's photography plan, which includes Adobe Lightroom Classic. Now, that's a topic for a totally another video, but Adobe Lightroom Classic is the gold standard for photo organizing software. You may know it as an editing software, but it is a powerhouse when it comes to organizing your photos. So I do teach people how to use Adobe Lightroom Classic. It basically automatically sorts your photo mess into a chronological system for you. You don't have to do all the heavy work. You just tell it what to do and it sorts them, makes the folders. It's amazing. People get their photos organized literally in like 1 to 2 weeks, and collections as large as like 200,000, 250,000 photos are sorted in a week. And that's not like staying up all night and giving up Netflix either. That's just you tell it what to do, you walk away, you come back, and your collection's sorted. So it's a really great program. If you'd like to get started down this path, the first step to it is to create a photo inventory. And so that is basically just a list of all the places that you have photos. You can just pull out a piece of paper and do that. Or if you'd like some help, you can download my Find Your Photos guide, which is linked in the description below. and you can grab that and you can get started. So I hope that this helps you feel less scattered about your photos, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks so much. Bye.